Hi, now we'll be going over the OpenLM report scheduler. The report scheduler allows you to schedule reports to be sent out to different emails. So before we begin, I just want to have a quick overview of where everything goes in the OpenLM system. So you probably have your vendors. Those vendors are installed on license server. This license server also houses the OpenLM broker, which transmits information to the OpenLM core. And if you want to schedule different reports, then it will just go through the scheduler into any device. Now, let's see how we can configure the scheduler itself. So here we have the same machine which houses the OpenLM server. So all we need to do is double click on the installation file, OpenLM report scheduler, click yes, click next, agree, next, and if you got an admin password, meaning that if you try to log into OpenLM and it asks you for an admin username and password, it needs to be set right here. In my case, I don't have an admin password, so I'll just click next and leave it empty. Click next again and again. This installs the report scheduler. It takes about a minute, and then all we need to do is simply click next, finish, and now we'll go to C, Program Files 86, OpenLM, OpenLM Report Scheduler, and Report Scheduler Properties. Let's open that file, and we need to make sure of a few things. So first of all, you'll need to set up your SMTP server details. So the host name, the username, the password, the sender. So it's your SMTP host name and details. And also the recipients, the default recipients. Next, you'll need to set the OpenLM system. So the OpenLM host is indeed localhost. I have no username for login and no password for login, but if I did have, I'd need to set them here. So that's it. Once it's saved, you simply need to go to Services and there find the OpenLM report scheduler. Simply restart the service, and that's it. Now, let's open up the OpenLM user interface again. Click Start, Administration, and now we would like to set the email or SMS details. So again, you'll need to set the SMTP details in here. You'll need to set your SMTP host, your organization's SMTP username and password, the recipient emails, and send a test email. Now, when you want to schedule the report scheduler to send you in a report, so simply go to any report in OpenLM, select your filter. So let's say we'll select Autodesk and we'll select this feature, click Apply, and we'll want to show, let's say, the last day. Each day we'd like to see the last day. So we click share. We can either share now by email, share it by link, or schedule it. So we can give it a name, add the user, and if the user has an email in his attributes, for example, now I try to add a user without an email. So I added the username and the email, clicked save, and now I can save to this user. But let's say that I want to send to a specific email. So I click add and input the email. Now I can select if I want this to be sent every Monday, every Sunday, maybe both. Select if you want it sent at midnight, maybe at 1 o'clock, maybe you want it every hour, whatever you choose. So you click OK, and now it will be scheduled and it will be shown if you try to click Start, Schedule Tasks, then it will be shown right here. Here you can disable, delete, and edit the scheduled task. You can see when it was created and when is the next runtime. And that's about it. Thanks.